welcome back to my channel. And yes, it is time for my Walgreens haul. Now, I did not go crazy like I did last week. I got like pretty much what I had. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys this. I ended up ordering Oxy coupons because I never get those in my area, okay? Some people don't get them. I recommend if you guys can order coupons, you can go to Clip to Save, but usually they're probably not available right now. But some people didn't like it that I was getting a bunch of this stuff. Now here's the thing, nobody in my area gets these coupons. So I can get as many as I want. My store doesn't limit them because nobody's buying them unless they only use their digital coupon. So please keep in mind, you guys, I buy these coupons and it's not like it's all hoarding for me. I do donate this stuff, I give it away. Yeah, I might sell it, but I also sell it for like a quarter. Whoa, I almost sell it for like a quarter of the price. That is weird. Everything just like went falling. Okay, let's just dig in and share with you guys what I got. Now, I ended up doing the OxyClean because I had more of those coupons. These were $3.99. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon, you guys would just get this for 99 cents. I think that is a great deal. And my camera's about to die. That's awesome, so I gotta go change my battery. But for 99 cents, I think that's a pretty good deal. So I ended up getting 8 of these. I did 4 in one transaction and 4 in the other. So just had to do that because, like I said, nobody in my area gets these. So I didn't clear the shelves. Nobody had a problem with it because nobody gets those coupons. So had to go along with those. Okay, now I'm going to share with you guys some deals that I didn't do earlier this week. Now, what I always do is I always go to Walgreens.com and I always check out the coupons because they have some good coupons on there that you guys don't know about. Yes, they are manufactured coupons, but they're ones where you guys don't need printable coupons for. So, I did the diaper deal because my son is refusing to go potty. I'm not going to rush it. We're going on vacation soon, so I thought, you know what? I'd rather get some diapers and you'd rather be safe than sorry, you know, in case we're like somewhere and he's got to go potty. So, the Pampers Cruisers, these are 2 for $20, and the same things with the Easy Ups. Now, you guys can actually combine these because they're the Pampers brand. So, there is a $4 off coupon for the Pampers Cruisers, and there's a $4 off coupon for the Pampers Easy Ups. I was going to do this deal at Walmart, but then I saw my coupon was on there. So, you guys, after you guys use those 2 $4 off coupons, you guys would just pay $12 for this, okay? But then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta for the Easy Ups, making both of these just $9 or $4.50 a piece. I'm not going to say if that's a great deal, but I think for $4.50 for Walgreens prices, I think that could be a great deal. So I got some diapers for my son. Yeah, I ended up finding these. This is my biggest score. They had these sitting in their clearance rack. Now, please keep in mind every store is different. Everybody has different clearance, but they had these marked down to 79 cents, and I'm like, are you serious? I'm like, that's not right. I thought they were gonna be $1.79, which I'd still pay $1.79 for. But there's 180 in here for 79 cents. And I'm like, I go and ask the employee, I'm like, is this correct? She's like, yeah. So I had to get both bags. I had to get both bags because this stuff's getting caught. Because why not? We're really trying to get Ben to be potty trained. So if he goes pee-pee in the potty, he gets a couple dum-dums. So definitely had to do that. Now, please keep in mind your store is different. Now, you could have them price scan it and see if it is that price, you know, just saying. I did the Band-Aid deal again. Now, what happens is a lot of you guys were saying you guys aren't sure about the Band-Aid deal, okay? Now, you want to have them scan this first, and if it scans, a Catalina will print off. Did I even get a Catalina today? I can't remember if I got a Catalina today or not. But I don't know if my Catalina was broken or not. But what I had them do is scan this and no Catalina printed off. So either the machine was down or they're no longer printing the $3 off 2 Catalinas. So just keep in mind with that, you guys. So they scan these first. You guys, they're buy one, get one 50% off. They're $3.99. You guys use that 3 off of 2 Catalina. You guys would just pay $2.98 for this. But then you guys get 3,000 points when you guys buy 2 of them. When you guys buy 2 of them. So you guys would end up getting these for free. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to think right now. For free. So you get those absolutely free. I ended up doing the Old Spice body wash deal. Now these were 2 for $7 on sale. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would just get both of these for $2 a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. Not many of you guys can ever get Old Spice in, I think, in our, coupon adventure. So $2 a piece for that. I did the Vera Wang because it ends up being cheaper at Walgreens than it does at Walmart. So these were $6.99. My store did not have them marked for $6.99, but I knew they were $6.99. You guys want to use that $4 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. Please keep in mind that coupon is regional. You guys would pay $2.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta. You can do it up to 3 times, making these just 99 cents. Now, there is also a deal on Checo 51. The deal is over with. They're out. They have no more Vera Wang rebates. So, 99 cents for these spray bottles. I think that's a pretty good deal. So, and my store only had 2 left, so I ended up just getting 2. I also got now you can do this with Secret, Old Spice, and Gillette, but I thought I'm going to get some Old Spice because I'm just craving some Old Spice. So these were $6.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. There's also a $6 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would just pay $4.48 for the both of these. That comes out to be $2.24. Now I don't know if that's a great deal because I don't really use spray deodorant, but if you guys are really like, so I know some people can only use certain kinds, then go for it. So definitely had to do that. And then I had 2 of these. I don't know what happened to the second one. I ended up I had a Catalina in my first transaction where if you spent $20 or more, you guys would get 5,000 points. Now, if you guys get a Catalina for 5,000 points, like this Catalina right here, this one's expired, but if you guys get this, you guys cannot pay with points. And right now they have that 10 times every day points thing. You either do this or you do that, and I was trying to figure out what's the better deal. This was actually the better deal with my transaction. So I used that Catalina. I had them scan that first. I bought 4 of the OxyClean. I bought the 2 diapers. No, I bought the 2 Dum Dums, and then I bought, the 2 Dum Dums and the 2 Band-Aids, and I just since I get an employee discount, I just needed to spend like $1 more, so I just got the Walgreens chapstick. I absolutely love their chapstick. It smells good. It's great. I think it's better than some of the brands that I use, so I got all that. That transaction after coupons for me came out to $6.48. I ended up getting 10,000 points. 3,000 was from the Band-Aids, 5,000 was from the Catalina, and then I don't know what the other was unless the 10 times was all factored in. I'm not sure on that. So that ended up becoming a $3.52 moneymaker. The transaction number 2 came to $24.29. I ended up getting 7,000 points back for that transaction, and that was because of the 10 times everyday points. And I don't know if I gained anything from those, but that was just all that stuff. I ended up getting $7 back with Ibotta. I got the two $2 ones for the Vera Wang, and then I got the $3 for the Easy Ups. So that transaction came to $10.29. If you guys add both transactions, it came to 31 cents each at 22 items. I think that's a pretty good deal. I got diapers, which I haven't bought diapers for at Walgreens for a while, and I'm starting to get like body wash and body sprays that I don't really get on a normal basis. So it's nice to get some other things other than the same stuff all the time. But another thing I want to mention is on my Facebook page and on my Deals by DesignerJen Facebook page, I just started a poll. I'm gonna get some t-shirts made where you guys can order so we can all wear the same t-shirts. I am working with a company. They're going to call me tomorrow and we're going to try to figure out like a logo or something. So stay tuned for that. I will be making a separate video, explaining the details. And once I get more information, I will be doing an official video with a link where you guys can order shirts and everything. So stay tuned for that. But yes, that was my Walgreens haul. I think I did pretty good, for $6.77 for everything. I think I did pretty good for diapers. Diapers are expensive, and I think, diapers for that are pretty good. But you guys know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.